Hello everyone, I'm Jamie and welcome back to my channel. So today what we have for you is a vlog. My first vlog. Basically, I'm a little bit worried for the month of June because I'm not going to be able to upload many videos. That's mainly because I have a lot on. I am going down to Cardiff to see opening night of the Beyonce and Jay-Z tour. And then I'm flying back home and then I've got Beyonce again. I'm going to 2 shows. So then I've got the Glasgow show. And then I'm going to London and then I'm going to see Katy Perry. I've got a lot of things on in June and also working every weekend at the salon too. So I'm scared I'm not going to have that much time to upload and play with makeup. So what I thought I would bring you is a vlog. I'm going to take you with me down to Cardiff. At first I thought, you know what, I'll just vlog the Cardiff show, but then I realised my life isn't really that interesting. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to vlog my trip down to Cardiff. I'm going down there and staying at Chris's house. You'll get to meet a few of my friends down in Cardiff, and obviously I'll be staying at my boyfriend's house, but you won't be meeting him because he is scared of the camera. But I'm really excited. It's the On The Run tour with Jay-Z and Beyonce part 2. I went to part 1 in New Jersey and this is part 2 and it starts off in Cardiff. So I actually leave for the airport tomorrow morning and yeah. Let's just vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy it, then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up right there and also click that subscribe button right down below. I'd absolutely love that. Thank you. Let's go. Okay, so we're at the airport and we're vlogging at the airport. This is really weird for me. I remember the feeling I got the first time I filmed my proper first YouTube video, like quite uncomfortable in front of the camera. I'll get used to it. But hey, we're going to go on the plane and I'll see you on the other side. So we're safely at Chris's house. That was a lot. Honestly thought I was going to miss my flight. Now we're going to Chris's mum's for some pasta. Beyonce is tomorrow and you also get to meet Chloe tomorrow, which is super exciting. I'm really excited. Opening night, mind. This is a big deal. Anyway, let's go eat some pasta bake. I'm taking a video for my vlog. Okay, so this is Chloe. Hi. She's the one I've been telling you all about. We're going to Beyonce today. I'm wearing the same jumper as yesterday, but are you excited for the show? I've come all the way down here, holiday for myself, had a very busy weekend at the salon, and now that I'm here, what am I doing, Chloe?
My makeup.
She's stunning, she's gorgeous, she's glowing. We're ready for the night. And I'm not even wearing any makeup. I'm still going to look gay as fuck though. So this is my little outfit of the day. Film with Chloe. Yeah. Cute. Show 1, Beyonce and Jay-Z. Opening night, Cardiff. Woo! Usually at a Beyonce concert, I know the set lists, I know the choreography, but because this is opening night, nobody has a clue. So we're excited to hit up Cardiff and have a good time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. I didn't record much when I got home from the show because, well, I was really tired. And now I'm going home again to Edinburgh. Got a busy day at the shop tomorrow and then going to the Beyonce show in Glasgow on Saturday. So that's really all. Okay, I am officially the worst vlogger in the world. Took the camera to the salon obviously didn't film anything. But tonight is the show at Hampden Park in Glasgow, and bitch, I am ready for it. This time I think I am going to put a little face on, and oh, I don't know. Who knows, we'll have to wait and see, but I am excited. But first I do have to go to the salon to do 4 clients, and then I can get myself ready. So let's go do that. Here she is though.
Film yourself, don't film me.
Why can't I film you?
Because I've got newt on my face.
Nikki's got no makeup on, but you'll see her later. She'll transform into a new woman. But what Nikki doesn't know is that I've been vlogging this whole trip.
Have you actually?
I have.
Oh my god, how exciting.
You hear that raspy voice? That's her. She's going to be making a special guest appearance in this whole video.
Shortly.
Shortly.
But for now.
For now we have to do our clients. Megs, are you excited? Nikki's still refusing to turn around.
Oh no, don't say that.
This is Jamie's vlog.
That's right, I stuck this gem on with nail glue. Say hi, Steffi.
We're drinking, we've been drinking.
We're on the way to the stadium right now, very excited. Round 2, Beyonce, On the Run 2, Part 2, Show 2. The show literally starts in about 2 minutes.
And we're standing waiting for Jen.
Only thing is, this line hasn't moved in about an hour. Walking home now, no lashes, this is me, this is real. This was fun. Beyonce, you're the queen of the world. I'm gonna do an outro because this is too unprofessional. Okay, that was a bit of a mess, wasn't it? I've not got the best life to be a vlogger, but that was one of the funnest weeks I've had in a long time. Beyonce and Jay-Z killed it. I had such a better time at this tour than what I did the last one in New Jersey. I don't know, the show was better. Everything was just amazing. It was just amazing. There's really not a lot left to say, so thank you guys for watching this vlog. If you did enjoy it, like I said at the beginning, give this video a thumbs up, but most importantly, that's rude. But most importantly, subscribe to my channel. The button is right below, it doesn't cost anything, and it just makes me happy. So I want you all to stay snatched, be nice to people, keep listening to Beyonce, and have a nice day.